Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to pin a message in Slack. So first, go to any channel or conversation. So could basically go to a conversation like this, and if I want to pin the message, go right click on that particular message, go to more message actions. As you can see, pin this to conversation, and it will be shown like there's a highlight on it and it says pinned by you. And if you want to unpin it, just right click on it again, and more message actions and unpin from conversation. Then remove pinned item. Just like so, and the same goes with channel. So if I want to pin my message right here, right click, more message actions, pin to channel. And if I want to unpin it, just do that again. I'll click on that. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.